Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, inverted H. Inverted H wide state, inverted H. 555 inverted H wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Depending on how this price... All right, so we already have our answer. So our price dropped through the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to see how this next bar, if it drops, there we go. All right, now we're going to lock in that $1 gain. At this point, the price is reacting off the point of control, which is 481 and a quarter. I'll draw a box real quick, and then I think we might pull our profits.
Order fill.
And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, a $1.60 drop in less than 5 minutes. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern. Lightning to the upside. H pattern moving average bounce. H pattern. 555 reverse H oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and then we're going to play this bar by bar moving forward. We impulsed up. Here's what I expect the corrective wave to come in, and then another impulse wave moving forward. All right, let's get this more accurate. Let's get rid of this. Let's remeasure that first impulsive wave. So there's the top, and here's generally where it started. And we're gonna copy it, and then we're gonna put it where the corrective wave started. We're looking, hold on 1 second, let's get this a little bit more exact. All right, so if we do a 1-for-1, impulse, correct, impulse, everything is equal, we're looking at a target of about 480, 482.25-ish. So we are going to expect with a high level of certainty and probability that price will get to that area. It might take some time, but a lot of times we look at our charts from doing it for many years, and we don't have to draw on our charts to kind of project what we're seeing and where we expect the price to go. But as a demonstration, I'm going to show you how we accurately would measure it to get more specific details of not just picking any target out of the blue. Right? We have a specific target in mind based on statistical probabilities, and this is what we're going to do. So again, we're going to look for the 482 and a quarter, and as you can see, we're getting there. So we're going to see how it reacts to those ranges between 82 and 82.50. Now, ultimately, if we go up to 482.50-ish, that's about a $2 move, and we'll see from there. But if we're going to get stalled out somewhere, I would expect, just based on the price getting to this targeted area just by simple measurement, the trading is all about math, right? So if you do fourth grade math, it makes it very simple. But when we get up into the 482.25 area, we'll kind of see how it reacts to the 482.25, 482.50 area. All right, here's the 482.50. So that's actually a $2 move. All right. So as you can see, we got up to that 482.25. We're kind of flirting around the 482.25, for 82 area. So if this price closes and then we don't have much acceleration on the bar open the first 10-15 seconds of this bar that just plotted, we'll just pull our profits because it's taking too long to get to that $2 mark.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.75 move, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we flirted around this area for about 5 minutes. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. The market can go up, it can go down, doesn't matter. Play's over. We're taking our money and running for the hills. As always, never forget, be a pro.